Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to sign up in Roblox. First of all, open up Roblox app. On the welcome screen you should see an option to sign up. Tap on it. Roblox require you to provide your date of birth to ensure that you are of the appropriate age to use this platform. Select your birthday. After that, tap on confirm birthday. Create a unique username that is not already in use. If you are chosen username is taken, you may need to try a different one. Enter your secure password. It is important to use a combination of letters, numbers and symbol of security. After that, select your gender. After that, tap on sign up. Once you have completed these steps, you should be signed up and logged into your new Roblox account. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.